Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the isolved People Cloud app is and how it's positioned. The isolved People Cloud app is an employee self-service mobile tool provided by Infinisource that gives workers access to key HR information from their phone or tablet. It lets users securely view payroll details, including pay history and tax documents, when their employer uses the isolved People Cloud (HCM) platform. The app also provides access to time and attendance information, benefit summaries, schedules, time-off requests, time card acceptance or objections, and expense submissions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Official descriptions indicate you sign in with your existing isolved People Cloud username and password to access your account and record. Users can connect to additional workforce modules like Share and Perform, Learn and Grow, and Giving and Volunteering from within the app if these are enabled by their organization. The mobile app is designed with a consumer-grade interface and aims to provide a familiar workflow for reviewing personal HR data while on the go. isolved People Cloud is part of a broader human capital management suite that centralizes HR, payroll, and workforce management tools for businesses. This app may be useful for employees who want a way to check schedules, submit time-off requests, view payroll and benefits info from their device instead of a desktop. For workers interested in having mobile access to their payroll and HR records, this could be an option depending on their employer's configuration of isolved People Cloud. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.